friends and welcome to my next video. Today we're going to play Roblox and Field Trip C, of course. I'm going to play with my two best friends, Zygrade and Soups. Guys, let's get into the bus, guys. The bus is cool. Wait, let's wait for both my friends. Wait, Zygrade, let's get in the bus. Get into the bus, guys. Hey guys, Soups is not in the bus. Soups is in the bus. Soups is in the bus. Oh no, this is fun. We left the bus. That's so cool. Don't forget, guys. Field Trip Z started. Hey guys, this is a horror game, actually. I know. So, welcome students, your first day of Robloxian High School. Kieran. Okay guys, so our task is to search for donuts, keys, bandages and medikits.
We need medkits, okay?
Yeah, we need medikits, as my friend told.
Hey bro, the Skycat's in the front, Gamer in the second, and I know where I am, so don't worry, kid.
He ain't know, my friend ain't know where he is. That's so foolish.
Yeah, first we have to take the medkits first.
Yeah guys, I'm searching for stuff, school stuff.
Very important.
Guys, I don't know what happened. My screen has got hanged. I cannot open any locker. What happened to the locker? Oh no, I can't open any locker. What happened to my locker? My friend is getting so many medikits and I'm getting bandages. Guys, I'm fooling you guys. Let's open these vents. Let's see.
You already know the vibe. Be back at it.
What? 3 medikits. That's so cool. Oh yeah, I got a donut. I'm gonna give it to Donut Devi.
Should we skip class? I'm skipping. Okay, fine.
Skip class.
I got the bandage.
I got 2 donuts, guys. That's so fun. Oh no! The big fat bully is in front of us. Yeah, guys, let me just.
We have lots of the videos. Stop.
Yeah, guys, don't worry. I have 4 medikits. Let's open all these vents. As I know, the bully will go somewhere far. And I don't. Yeah, he go probably, as my friend told, he go to Blocks and Go. And I don't know because I am not following him. I want to search for stuff. Yeah, hopefully he does that. Oh guys, I got 3 donuts. That's the first time I got 3 donuts.
I'm not following the bully. I'm going my own way.
Hey, my friend Nannu is not. Oh, what the hell means? Guys, please mute. This is a YouTube video. Hey guys, where's lady? What's all that food? I'm gonna ask Bully some things. Oh no, that's bad. We got stuck into this place. Let's break through. Can't do anything, guys. I have crossed this game one time, so I know. Oh no, principal might come now. There's something going on. Yeah, that's something going on. I know the best place to hide in the store. I know the best place to. Guys, this is very bad. We are going to go to detention. Because we followed the bully. principal came. Mr. actually. Okay, let's get out. Oh no, what happened? Oh no, shit. They're not going back. I'm not going back to school with this stupid principal. Oh no, we have to go. No, we are back to school in a stupid. Welcome to detention. Shit. That's bad. Guys, that's very bad. I am in detention. See outside? What was that sound, guys? Serious. No. So, guys, I literally don't know what he did. He really got disconnected. No. Guys, let's wait. That didn't sound like a student. Obviously, that's not a student.
I can't play. My screen got minimized and I don't know where it went. It's not letting me go. Where's my game? Because it went out and then somewhere happened. It went. I can't find the game.
Naren, you're still in. Sorry, Soups, you're still in the game.
Yeah, I can't get out of this stupid thing. My game got closed. Okay, I think I have to shut it down and open it.
Hey, bro, you're talking in this game. How is that possible? Look, it's a zombie. You're telling.
No, the zombie is there, bro. No, but then I can't see my screen. It's gone out somewhere. It's got minimized and gone off.
Then your full screen. Oh, 1 minute, guys. This is a friend's problem.
It went off, but there's still the music. I don't know how to get out of this shit.
Oh, guys, my friends. As I know my friends out. But then we're talking to him. No worries.
Shit, bro.
Oh, nothing, guys. Oh, no. The stupid principal is here. I am back student and the principal is not hurt. Thank God. Whoa. What? Zygrate? What is Zygrate?
What is wrong with this?
My computer has a message for me. Let's see what's the message. Break news! Bleeding by news! Zombies! Warning, zombie outbreak. Stay inside. Stay away from the infected. Breaking news! Zero Lab spokesman says they might have an antidote already. Breaking news! The president! I don't trust these lab boys. Zombies! I can't believe this. Let's go to the cartridge. Or something like that. What the hacking name is. I don't care what the name is. Number 4, I got a blue key. I don't know where does that come from. Actually, literally. There's a bunch of supplies. Let's see what can use our weapons. Yeah, guys. 4, let's kill these zombies. Soups is gone. I think so. No, yes, Soups is gone. Soups! Bad luck. Soups, it's your bad luck, Soups. You got disconnected. Where is the principal? The principal is shitting infected. Hi, Zygrode.
Hi, gamer.
Okay, guys, let's break through this door.
No, I don't think Karen is there yet. No, I can't play. I don't know what happened because I can't play today. Yeah, I think she got disconnected today. No, I'm not able to join again. I tried. I don't know what it is like that. You can't join the bus again. You people play one game, then you call me. I'll cut the call.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, guys, my friend left. I know what happened. Calm down. Give me a polish. Yeah, I didn't know it's Donut Dave here. I didn't know it's Donut Dave. It's a Donut Dave. It's Donut Dave. Yeah, I'm gonna give Donut Dave a donut. He gave me a golden donut. How did he do that? please run up. Cafeteria. We are not hungry. Let's follow Dave.
Yeah, we're not hungry. Oh, that's fine. Everybody is going to the hall.
Good boy. I'm gonna die this game. I bet you. Don't get those stupid lunches. Doesn't matter, guys. Please. Don't worry about these stupid lunches. Follow Donut Dave now. We have to go here.
Yeah, we have to go. Okay. Maybe in the next video we're going to the vacation.
Yeah, oh, okay, we're in the cafeteria. This place is dark. There isn't anything here. Yeah, guys, that's why I hear you. Smack! Smack! What shit is this smack? Oh no! How to play this? What should we do? Oh no, zombies there! Guys, this is very bad. Oh no! We are dying! She's burning us! We need to have some equipment, guys. Oh shit!
Why did I respawn here? My God.
That's it. Yes, shit.
Oh shit, the boss. Already was I'm clearly the boss.
You know, literally, I don't know what to do.
Oh my God. So hard. Oh my God. Perfect. Oh shit, she's destroying the desk. Oh, again. Oh my God. Hello, gamer.
Yeah, guys,
You
let's.
can come and find from the lobby.
Guys, this literally sounds like an hobby. We made a mistake by choosing let's not follow. Why should we attack this thing? I died! Guys, bye. I'm so unlucky. I respawn as a zombie, guys. That's so cool. I have Robux. I can respawn as anything. Oh shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit. How do we? Zygrade's gone for holy shit. Now we have to kill the lady. Yeah guys, we're finally in this sunflower hobby. Oh shit! I have so little health, guys. I don't have a crowbar also, guys. We can't do anything. We have to kill that lunch lady. Look. No, I had one health. I had one health pack.